Hello, Howard Hawks. Mrs. Vyers here with a read aloud, How a Seed Grows. Before I start the book, I want you to look at this poster, Plants Have, Need, and Give. Think about that when I'm reading this book. A seed is a little plant. It is a plant that has not started to grow. Apple trees and daisies, carrots and corn, clover and wheat all grow from seeds. Here is a tree seed. Someday it will be a tree like this. Here is a flower seed. Someday it'll be a flower like this. Some seeds grow slowly. These are the seeds of an oak tree. An oak tree grows very, very slowly. Suppose you planted an oak tree seed. You would be a father or a mother or even a grandfather or a grandmother, and the oak tree would still be growing. Some seeds grow fast. This is a bean seed. It grows very fast. It grows so fast that it becomes a bean plant in just a few weeks. You can plant bean seeds yourself. We used pole beans. You can use pole beans, bush beans, or lima beans. You can plant the seeds in eggshells or tin cans or old cups or little flower pots. Be sure that your containers have holes on the bottom. We use eggshells. We used a pencil to make holes in the eggshells. We filled 12 eggshells with soil like this. We made a hole in the soil with our finger like this. When you have made a hole in the soil, plant a seed, a bean seed in it. Plant one seed in each hole. Cover the seed with soil. Sprinkle the soil carefully with a little water. Number the shells. Write the number 1 on the first shell, put the number 2 in the next shell. Keep going until all the shells are numbered 1 through 12. Put an eggshell in an egg carton. Put the carton in sunlight on the windowsill. Some bean seeds grow faster than others. Our seeds begin to grow in 3 days. Your bean seed will take a little longer. You won't be able to see your seeds growing yet. They start to grow under the soil where you can't see them. Water your seeds a little every day. The water soaks into the seeds. The seeds begin to grow. More water soaks into the seeds. The seeds get fatter and fatter. I'm going to jump a little bit in this book. And we'll revisit the next part. Day after day, the roots and the root hairs push down in the soil. Day after day, the bean begins to push up. The soil is pushed aside. Watch your seeds. Soon you will see pale shoots push through the soil. A shoot is the beginning of a green plant. A shoot grows towards the sun, like this. A seed needs many things to grow. It needs soil, water, and sun. If a seed has all the things it needs, it will grow into a plant. It will grow into the same kind of plant that it came from, an apple tree or a daisy or a carrot or corn. It will grow into a clover, or it will grow into a bean plant like the ones you planted. How a seed grows. In the story, How a Seed Grows, the little boy and girl planted some bean seeds. Because of our situation, all I had in my garage were some peas. So we're going to try planting peas. This is what the peas look like from the package. Whoop, they're falling. Okay. And they said when the seeds are in water that they plump up and get fatter and fatter. So what I did was I put some of these seeds into water yesterday. So this is what it looks like from the water being soaked all day. And this is what it looks like when it wasn't soaked and this is soaked. So I went around the house because, again, can't go out shopping. So I had this egg carton. I filled it with some soil, and I am going to do just like the kids in the book did. I'm going to take a wet seed that was already soaked for a night and push it in each of these little containers. And if you were paying attention in the book, you will notice that seeds need air, water, and sun. So I will do this, put all these seeds in each little container, push it in. It's a little messy, yeah. And I will give it air, water, and sun every day. And next week, I will show you if anything's happening here. Okay?